Backpack's on and ready to go. It's almost time for school. But wait, there's never enough time to do your hair and look perfect every single day. That's why we made 2 types of dry shampoo for those crazy times when you are rushing out the door to get to that class or that next meeting time. Follow along to learn how to make dry shampoo for blonde or darker hair scented with our coconut fragrance. So, how do you do it? Let's get into it. Simply grab a makeup brush, dab it into the shampoo, lightly apply to your hairline where it is a little dirtier, and brush through it. Now you are ready to go. Hope you enjoy your last bits of summer and feel a little more prepared for the school year.